Dark underarms, let's face it, no girl wants that. Every girl wants to have bright and fresh smelling underarms. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a comparison of two of my favorite underarm roll-ons. One is by the Wishcare and the other one is by Chemist at Play. Right from the effectiveness, the pricing, packaging, ingredients, I'm going to be doing a lowdown of all of these points. So stay with me right till the very end of this video. First up, talking about the ingredients of the product, I'm talking about the Wishcare ingredients. So in Wishcare, you get to have 5% AHA, which is primarily glycolic acid. Now, glycolic acid really helps in terms of exfoliating those dead cells of your skin. It also contains licorice and cica to take care of any bumps that you have usually after shaving or after waxing. It also contains kojic acid that really helps in terms of brightening your underarms. And it also contains allantoin and aloe vera. So that helps in terms of smoothing, in terms of soothing, calming the skin down, which usually happens right after you get aggravated skin post shaving. When it comes to the Chemist at Play list of ingredients, Chemist at Play also has 5% AHA, but here instead of glycolic acid, it contains lactic acid. Now, lactic acid has a very similar composition and it also helps in terms of exfoliating the dead cells of your skin. Other than that, the Chemist at Play also contains vitamin C that helps to practically brighten your skin cells, reducing any kind of dark spots that you have. The role of AHA in these products is to practically fight body odor. So the moment you have dead cells in your skin, you start having clogged pores because of the sweat, and then that increases the risk of body odor on your skin. But having exfoliation in the form of these chemical ingredients like glycolic acid or lactic acid actually helps in terms of exfoliating your skin. This also contains hyaluronic acid, ceramides to help hydrate your skin and repair the skin barrier. Apart from that, there is also allantoin, which helps in calming the skin post shaving. So in a way, both of these products have a very similar kind of an ingredient composition list. The only key difference is the kind of AHA acid that both of them use. So with the Chemist at Play, you will get to see lactic acid. However, with the Wishcare, you'll get to see glycolic acid. Both of them effectively are great exfoliators. So every time we sweat on our underarms, we have a lot of clogged pores, and because of that, all the dead cells start accumulating and piling in on the surface of your skin, and hence it is important to exfoliate them. Now, you could use a lot of physical exfoliators like scrubs or anything else, but having AHA such as your glycolic acid and lactic acid play a very important role to actually exfoliate everything from a very deep level, and because they penetrate into your skin, it kind of helps in terms of getting rid of all that body odor that you have. Talking about the fragrance of both of these underarm roll-ons, surprisingly both of them have a very similar fragrance. So it's a very fresh, oceanic, aquatic fragrance. It's not something that will give you like a headache. It's very calm, very soothing. So I like that about both these products. Talking about the packaging again, both of them have a very similar packaging. Both of them have this plastic compact bottle which is very lightweight, easy to carry, convenient to just slide it in your purse or in your bag and just walk out anywhere you want. Talking about the quantity and pricing, both of them are different over here. So when it comes to Chemist at Play comes in a 40 ml pack and is priced at Rs 399. And when it comes to Wishcare comes in a 50 ml pack and is priced at Rs 299. Now, how effective are these two? So I tried both of them on each of my underarms for around 2 weeks because I really wanted to test and see how effective each of them were. And to my surprise, yes, there is a winner. With the Chemist at Play, initially it was really nice, strong yet soothing, very calming fragrance. But because it was a hot sunny day, I started sweating a lot, and to my dismay, the fragrance only lasted for around 4 hours. I had to actually touch up again after 4 hours. With the Wishcare one, it was a bit different. So my body odor was controlled for around 5 to 6 hours. It was a very hot day and I was actually profusely sweating. But because like I told you, I tried both of them on each of my underarms, I could actually notice that the body odor was more better controlled on the underarm where I used Wishcare. How effective are they in lightening my underarms? I would say both of them are great. because like I told you, Wishcare has kojic acid in it, Chemist Play has vitamin C in it. Both of them help in terms of brightening, getting rid of the dark spots, the dullness in the skin. So effectively, I was able to notice signs of brightening and clearing of my skin in around 1 or 2 weeks time. But hold on, do I really have a winner here? Yes, I do. So the Chemist Play, priced at rupees 399 in a 40 ml pack, great at lightening the skin but can only control body odor for around 3 to 4 hours. And with the Wishcare one, priced at rupees 299 in a 50 ml pack, great at lightening the skin and effective in controlling body odor for around 5 to 6 hours. Well, I think you'll already have the answer. And the Wishcare Underarm Roll-On has an edge over here. So while both of these products are great, my personal recommendation would be to have this Wishcare Underarm Roll-On because of all the points that I've told you when I was comparing both these products. If you are tired and irritated of your acne marks and you are looking for a product that can help you fade away those acne blemishes, brighten your skin tone and improve your skin texture, then do check out this video that I've done where I've reviewed the 10% niacinamide serum from the Derma Co. If you found this video helpful, then do give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you want me to make any videos on product reviews or any skincare and hair care topics, then do write that in the comments section as well. As a skincare enthusiast, I'm here to help all people improve their skincare game. So if you're new to my channel, do make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.